Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 4, inserting an image to your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft PowerPoint. So we're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to Mac Office, now go to Microsoft PowerPoint, or what we can do is open up the file we are currently working on, go to Finder, go within the folder and locate the PowerPoint presentation. Let's navigate to the PowerPoint folder, go to work.pptx, let's double click on this. And that is now loaded on screen. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Let's now go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Finder, go back to the documents, go to my YouTube channel, locate an image we wish to insert into the presentation. There we have YouTube icon.jpg. Let's now take this image and drag and drop onto the PowerPoint presentation. Let's now, if we wish to, decrease the size of this image and move this image around if we wish to. And so that's how you insert an image onto your PowerPoint presentation. Let's now increase the size of the PowerPoint presentation. Command S to save. If we wish to, we can rearrange this, format the image if we wish to. I just double click the image, bring forward, send backwards. For now, let's just move this to the bottom right corner, and there we go. Command S to save. That's now all been saved. We can now quit PowerPoint. We can also quit Finder. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.